Inside the psychiatric hospital, a group of inbred monsters pinned a female nurse to a chair, punishing her. They didn't stop until she lost control of her bladder and went completely still, lifeless. And the entire chaotic, deadly mess all started with a single hairpin. A few hours earlier, a new intern had arrived at the hospital. As she observed the patients, these strange, twisted individuals, one of them suddenly grabbed her by the hair. The hospital director managed to pull her free, but the intern had no idea. One of the patients had stolen her hairpin in the scuffle. Afterward, the director explained to her that among the patients were 3 brothers, products of inbreeding. They were known as the monsters of the hospital. Not only were they terrifyingly intelligent, but they were also bloodthirsty. To them, humans were no different from animals. No sooner had the director and intern left than the patient who'd taken the hairpin tried to pick the lock on his cell door. But he wasn't smart enough to make it work. The 3 brothers, growing impatient, told him to toss the hairpin over. In just a few seconds, one of the brothers used it to unlock the iron door. Instead of freeing the other patients right away, they waited for a guard to come check on the noise, then launched a surprise attack. Once they'd killed the guard, they broke into the control room and unlocked every door in the hospital. In an instant, all the patients swarmed out. The entire hospital became their twisted playground. The intern, the one who'd lost the hairpin, was captured by the 3 brothers. They tied her to a hospital bed and tortured her repeatedly until she took her last breath. The director suffered an even more brutal fate. By the end, there wasn't a single intact piece of his body left. After that, the 3 brothers took over the hospital, making it their home. 30 years passed in the blink of an eye. One day, a group of students got lost while hiking outdoors. As darkness fell, they stumbled upon the hidden hospital. With a snowstorm bearing down, they didn't hesitate to rush inside for shelter, unaware they'd just walked into a living hell. While the students wandered around the building, fooling around and exploring outside the hospital walls, the same 3 brothers from 30 years earlier were dragging a human body back to their lair,